Yo, Blade, I see you talking about this partnership acquisition system. Yo, break down the numbers. Is it really profitable? Is this something for me? Let's rock. Partnership acquisition system, what it does is allow you to be able to build out your referral network. So rather than running an ad where your close rate is around 20, 30%, because I mean, they've only seen you a couple of times. Referrals, you and I both know, yo, I'm closing every single one of my referrals. 99.9999% of my referrals, I'm going to close because they came from somebody that they trust. So what this does is it builds out your partnership network so you have a whole bunch more people referring you over business. Let's pretend you're a funding business owner. If you're a funding business owner, you probably are going to start attracting credit repair businesses that don't have that upsell to funding. Whereas after credit repair businesses fix their credit, get them the 700 credit score, the next step is probably being able to get funded to scale up the business. Those people that don't offer funding already, they push that person over to you so that you handle all the underwriting and you get cashed up. You both make some money and it's a win-win. The credit repair business owner sends you over a client for funding. You get them funding. You get cashed up. You give a little kickback to the actual credit repair business. Everybody's happy. This also works for credit repair business owners as well too. We've done plenty of this, in which case maybe a credit repair business wants to pretty much become an outsourcing fulfillment partner, in which case they partner up with funding businesses. They partner up with car dealerships, real estate agents, mortgage brokers, other credit repair businesses that can sell it but suck at disputing. You're going to partner up with these type of people so that they push you over all of their credit repair business so that they focus just on selling it and you actually handle the fulfillment. You get paid on what actually matters, the disputing process and all the fulfillment, getting that guy on a high credit score. You know, it works the same way with funding and with credit repair. The entire point of it is to bring you over more partners so that they can refer you over more business. Everybody gets cashed up, everybody's happy, a whole lot more business, and a whole lot less of selling. If this is something for you, this is a 5-figure investment. Just reach out to me if you're serious. I'm happy to help you scale this campaign up because I love it. You know, one partner can literally refer you 2 to 3 new clients every single month. I've had one case with one of my clients ran this partnership acquisition system, and by the second month, this dude absolutely blew up his fulfillment where he had to go to the point where he had to pause ads. He closed one client that was doing around $225,000 every single month, and right at the get-go, they were referring him tens, well, at least more than 10 clients every single month. And if you were to think about that, let's say you were to take 30% of the back end, the client versus the customer, client be the business, customer versus the actual person trying to fix the credit. The client refers customers over to the business, and somebody like this case over here who's referring at least 10 new referrals to the credit repair business on a monthly basis. Think about what that can do for your business. You know, let's say you work out the deal where you're getting cashed up 30, 40% on the back end. They sell the service for at least $1,000 to $1,500. Guys, that's just free revenue coming into you, and you don't have to spend any money on marketing. It's just because you built this trust, you build this partnership that they're going to continuously want to push more referrals over to you. This is going to make both you guys happy. If you guys need help with this partnership acquisition system, you want to set it up, let me know. Guys, this is a proven system, and we can only take limited people. God bless, guys. I'll talk to you soon. Peace.